last 3 days.
No, not really.
Really?
Hey.
This is how we're starting Wednesday.
Yeah.
Snap on Wednesday, bitches.
You couldn't crap for 4 days. It is. It's snap on Wednesday.
And it's beautiful out.
And oh yeah, it's fucking super nice out today. You hear the birds chirping?
Yep. We had a deer running around this week. Remember that?
Oh yeah, yeah, that was pretty cool. Yeah, you didn't see the deer? Oh, he was running around like back there. He was running around like trying to get through the fence and everything, and then Taylor had to like kind of chase him off the property. He was a nice little deer though.
Hey, Tyler. Nice little dude.
He was a nice little deer.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Great roasting pan. Look at that.
Living the dream.
That's cool.
Oh, the carabiner knives. Hey?
Oh,
A couple of carabiner knives.
yes.
What's that?
Custom burger press.
Oh, shit.
I like it. Make burgers with Snap-on S on it.
Why not?
Why not, right?
Eat and snap.
Looks nice in here today.
Or you can make your beer can chicken in a snap-on socket.
That is so cool. I really like that.
Beer can chicken is so good.
Dude, look at. Ha ha ha. Corn on the knob there.
Corn on the knob. Corn on the knob.
Of course, that all ties in with the Traeger smoker barbecue in the back
Oh, do you have
corner
it back there?
Yep.
Cool. I'm gonna go look at that.
Oh, wow. Jeez.
Auto feed.
Oh, that is nice. I like that.
Coat hanger.
The barbecue smoker.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Got little smoker settings on the side there and everything.
Oh yeah.
Temperature. Holy fuck.
I like it. That's cool.
Probes.
Oh, that is nice.
How long does that take? Like a week or so?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Aye.
Well, it's got like a smoke chute on the side there.
That's because it's a smoker.
It's fucking cool. I know, but
It's
still.
got a smoke chute on the side. It's because it's a smoker.
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. I like it.
I can't even make that shit up.
Time is just going.
What's that?
I bought that thing a year and a half
Soldering
ago.
iron.
Was that what it is? A year and a half.
2017.
So now we gotta repair it then.
Can do that for free.
Yeah. Well, now we know what to repair.
So now we have to use the soldering iron to fix the soldering iron.
Yeah.
Yep. But knowing is half the battle.
I see the month of May rolled over and you like that one.
Yeah, not too bad.
That's because it's my birthday month.
That's alright.
Oh, that's right. I like those. We should get one of those for the shop. We should. Does it put out good pressure?
Volume.
Okay.
If you have enough supply, then yes. But if you compare the inlet and the outlet to your standard issue pistol grip style,
Yeah.
it moves
So it
so
puts a
much
lot of-
volume that if your system can't supply it, then lots of water, no pressure.
Should get one of those for my bay.
In your choice of festive colors.
Oh, you got all the snappy colors. Nice.
Just for your baby.
Or just black.
Yeah.
Rechargeable knife kit.
Every other one only
Carbon
lasts
knife.
like a year at my house.
Oh yeah.
Battery powered.
Maybe an option, right?
Yeah.
Battery powered knife.
Who are you gonna cut up? I mean, what are you gonna cut up?
Is that the one that looks like the quarter inch ratchet? Yeah.
I want to see it.
Battery operated knife.
I want to see this battery powered knife.
Yeah. You were talking about weapons. It looks like my 1/4 inch. Is it? Oh yeah, no, it's not battery operated, like 14.4 operated.
Not with the 14.4 battery. No.
Nice kit too. That thing is so cool. You know, do you have a? You have the You have the Sawzall too, don't you, Jesse?
I do.
You have a Milwaukee one?
Yeah.
Boom.
It's basically the same as mine.
Because I have mine. Like I haven't yet. I did my my pumpkin last year with it.
Oh yeah.
And just shove it in there and start fucking going away. That thing does a good job making a mess of a pumpkin pretty quick.
Fingers and stuff on my try.
Oh yeah.
Buy a floodlight, get a free T-shirt. Buy, for every $100 you buy out of the sale bin or out of that product back there on the barbecue, in the cart, wherever, you get a ticket in the draw to win the barbecue. And then for purchases, you get one of the free presses, burger press, or the roasting pan, or both.
Those things are so cool. I showed my wife and she's like, why? Why, Joel? Why? Because. Can't you see it? It presses an S in the fucking burger.
That's right.
What's considered the bin for this hoodie here? The sales bin.
Everything on here, in here, the product in the back, I don't care.
I got you.
I'm running both together because, you know, I have young clients that might not win a barbecue. They live at home. What do I want a barbecue for?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So here, if you don't want a chance to win the barbecue, here, I'll give you a hoodie. You choose. Trying to accommodate everybody.
Yeah.
Cool.
Jordan?
What are you getting today?
I don't know if I'm getting anything. Maybe. I don't know. Fuck. I'm so indecisive all the time.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I need that.
Yeah.
Jesse's like, I need to get
I need the
powered-
machete.
powered knife. So is that for what you use to cut it with? Cut with the powered knife?
A fucking lot of stuff in here right now, man.
Or is it?
No, there's two reciprocating blades.
Okay,
So a roast or... Yeah, it's for the kitchen. It's not for...
yeah, I was kind
Not
of
for
wondering about it.
No.
It's pretty cool though. You know, everything else is that 1940s thing your grandma gave you that you don't want to pull out. You're not sure if the...
You said pull out?
Yeah, like the corded ones you have at home, or
Oh, yeah.
the super old ones. You're not sure if it's going to light on fire or cut your chicken.
I don't have any of those.
I got a real old one that barely works. All rusted up, but I never use it.
Did your grandma give it to you?
Yes.
Hence the story.
That's just fucking cool.
All right, well, it's time to get back in the shop.
If you
Man, it is a hot one in here today. Our air conditioning hasn't been turned on yet, so it's fucking brutally hot in here. Anyway, Snap on Wednesday. I got my socket I ordered a couple of weeks ago. It's a 19 mil socket like this, open-ended, and that is for our fuel, our high-pressure fuel rail recall, or fuel line recall. So that's cool. The part number on this, if you guys are Hyundai techs and want to get your own, it is a 3/8 drive, which is perfect. FRXM19. So that's the socket. I don't even know how much it cost me. And then I picked up a terminal tool set finally, like a master set from Snap-on. The part number on that one, SGTT110. So that's all your terminal tools with the old Instinct handles, comfort grip handles. I actually like these handles. They're actually I like these ones. They're nice. so those will work. I actually have a job coming up. I got to go to a body shop, and so I have to go to a body shop and splice in this into a harness that they can't get into a Genesis, a G80. So I got to go splice that in. So I wanted to get a terminal tool just in case. I didn't have a proper one for the longest time. I was using this little guy, an old hard-handled snap-on screwdriver, and then I just kind of ground it down and tempered it so that it wouldn't bend on me. But it only gets you so far. So shit, that's about it, guys. It's got a safety I got to get done behind me, and it's kind of a slow day actually. So a bunch of the guys went home already, so it's just me and Jordan just hanging around, and that's pretty much it. I got a bunch of stuff, like just kind of janitorial stuff here at work that I'm doing. So yeah, I guess I'm kind of like the foreman now. Congratulations. So that's cool. It's more work. So yeah, it's been kind of what's somewhat keeping me off the YouTube for, you know, kind of spotty attendance on YouTube. So but that's pretty much all we got. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the show. Snap on Wednesday, as always. I always enjoy it. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, and got new merch. Got new Snap-on Collectors merch actually in there. It's actually you can get to the store through my other merch link, which is right down below. It's there too. So if you're part of the Snap-on Collectors group and you want some cool merch, there you go. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the show. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.